Hello students. Well, as you can see today we are going to start the unit online. So the idea is that you have to do the activities, download the audio, and then on Wednesday we are going to check the activities that you just did. Okay, well, as you can see on the presentation, the unit is called You and Your Company. And the principal objective of this unit is to give an oral presentation. I think that is the first week of July. So, what is for today? Well, today, as you can see on the presentation, is Monday 11th, and the objective of today's class is talk about your company, but of course we are going to start as usual with the vocabulary of the unit. So this is the activities that you have to do for today's class. First, as you can see on the presentation, we are going to start working with the vocabulary, and the first vocabulary that we are going to see are this box with words. And this is the very basic matching activity in which you have to match the words on the box with the sentences below. The whole activity is going to be related with Nokia's company. Okay, because at the end of the unit, we have to do a presentation about a famous company, as Nokia, for example. So the words on the box are competitors, product, employees, factories, markets, customers, sales, and head office. And what you have to do is to match the words with the sentences below. Then, after that, you are going to download the audio that's on the Aula Virtual, and you have to listen the activity and complete the sentences. On the listening, you are going to listen to Simon Hastings. He is a journalist. Journalist in Spanish means periodista, and he's going to do an interview to the senior manager of Nokia. And during the question, they are going to talk about what's the name of the company, what is the principal activity, where is the head office, etc. So you are going to listen the conversation between Simon Hastings and the senior manager of Nokia, and you have to complete the information that you have over here. For example, what is the name of the company? Nokia. Where is the research center? In Tampa. Tampa is a city. Okay? Activity number 3. You are going to listen one more time the conversation, but this time you have to complete the questions. Okay? You have the answers and you have to complete the questions. And the next activity is related with vocabulary. We are not going to do the listening anymore. The idea is that over here you have different kind of words. Some of these are activities and others are nouns. Nouns in Spanish means sustantivos. So what you have to do is to complete or to choose which of these words you have to use in order to complete these sentences. And finally, you have to complete this table using the base form. Van a usar la forma base. Okay, for example, sell is the verb, sales is the noun, sustantivo. What is the person? For example, how do you say vendedor? Okay, you have to put the person and the expression, right? And you have to complete the table over there. Okay, these activities, all these activities are going to be checked next class on Wednesday when we are going to see each other face to face. Okay? If you have any question or any doubt, you can send me an email to csaavedra@ucsh.cl. Okay? Goodbye, students, and see you on Wednesday.